Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to comment GIFs on Instagram. So for this, first of all, what you have to do is just open up the Play Store or App Store in your mobile, and then in the search bar, you have to search for Instagram. And now just tap on it, and you just have to make sure that you are using the latest version of Instagram application. If you have any update, just make sure to update the Instagram, and then just open up the Instagram application, and now tap on this search bar, and in the search bar you have to type SPIRI. So you have to search for this spiritual word. Just tap on this first account, and now you can see this account. So now you just have to go for some random post here, and now if I tap on this comment box, and now you will see there are already GIF commented here. And now if you tap on this more option, and then tap on this see all by creator, and then you have to cross it, and now you can search for whatever GIF you wanted to comment, and these are the GIFs. So now if you tap on this anyone, and now you can see this my GIF has been commented. So that's it for this video. That's how you can comment GIF on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.